Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to apply conditional formatting which will show the positive data in green and the negative data in red. So first we'll go to the first cell and then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell by rules and select greater than. So here I will write 0. If the data is greater than 0 then I will show green. Click OK. And now again go to conditional formatting, highlight cell by rules, select less than. So if the data is less than 0 then I will fill it with red color. Okay, light red fill with dark red text and click OK. Now while this cell is selected, go to format painter and click on it, and once it is clicked we can paint all these cells. So now you can see the conditional formatting has been applied. So that's all in this video. Thank you.